Now I am going to explain the differentiate between the MCS and the PVS. So MCS is based on storage, PVS is network. So without adding the hypervisor into the studio console, we can't create MCS based machine catalog. But for the PVS based machine catalog, so no need to add the hypervisor into the studio console. So second one, boot method. So MCS based machines will use hard disk boot method, but PVS based machines will use network boot method as well as the CD drive boot method. So for network, DSCP scope option 66 and 67 will use. Also for ISO method, the CD drive, we can create the BDM ISO file. We can map into the CD drive. So MCS will support on the cloud, but PBS will not support in the cloud. For MCS, to do the image update, we need to do it on the changes on the master image, that is the golden image. So once we done the changes, we need to take the snapshot and then we need to update the machine catalog in the studio console. For the PVS, we can do the image update in two methods. One is existing VDisk, we can change into standard to private. Also, without changing standard to private, we can create versioning, so we can update the image. So MCS is integrated component with the controller. By default, it will come. For PVS, we need to install the separate server to use the PVS server. So MCS will not support for the physical machine, but PVS will support for the physical machine as well. So for MCS based machines, the write cache will be stored on the device RAM, but the PVS based machines we can use in different way. One is cache on server, cache in device RAM, cache on device hard disk, cache on device RAM, overflow on hard disk. So this is the differentiate I know. If you guys know any other differentiate, you can mention in the comment so that we can add into the next video. So now I will show you some difference on the portal level. So whatever we discussed here. So just go to the hypervisor console. So now I will show you the boot option. So for PBS based machines, right now it's using the boot option as a network, because okay, let me show you another as well. Okay, the first priority is a network. So for MCS, this is MCS based machine, so it will use only hard disk, so it will not use any other thing like a CD drive or network, because it's always will boot from the hard disk operating system. Then storage perspective, so MCS based machines, it will have local storage like a C drive, but PVS based machines will not have any storage for C drive to store the operating system, because PVS based machines streamed from the VDisk, which is located on the PVS server. For image update, so this is PVS based machine catalog. Here you can see provisioning method, Citrix provisioning service. So this is for MCS based machine catalog. Here the disk name, this is MCS master, this is one of the snapshot. When you are doing the image update, we need to use the snapshot. I will show you the snapshot on the master image. So this is our master image, there where we can see the snapshot name MCS master. Okay, for PVS, for the image update, we can change the VDisk from standard to private. Then we can attach the VDisk to any master device. We can do the image update changes. So one more method, we can create the version, then we can do the image update. So this is for PVS based, we can do it under two method. For MCS only, so we need to take a snapshot, then we need to update it. So then what else? So write cache, let me show you the write cache thing. So in MCS I don't have option to show the write cache things, but in PBS I can show. So right now the vdisk is attached to the target device. It's up and running, so that's why I can't show you the option here. If I shut down the machine, I can able to show the list of cache type here. So whatever I mentioned in the previous ppt, so that will be, we can change it here. So this is a major difference between the mcs and the pvs as per my knowledge. So thank you.